Beam, yes. Yes, Beam. Beam. Let me clap it up for you. I knew you could do it. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Yes. Congratulations, you did it. You didn't do it how I thought you would do it. You just kind of did it the way I did it on that video, which I wasn't going to show you how I really was going to do it. But nevertheless, yes. Yes, you did it. You did it. This proves, Beam, this proves that you could do vlogs, okay? Fonz, he could do it. He could do it, Fonz. Fonz, he could do it, okay? This proves it. But I'm glad that you called me out in a way where you're testing the waiver skills.
I'm done taking challenges, no time restraints. I want the best Jeezy. I want to see Jeezy at an all-time high. You get 24 hours, or you can spend a whole 24 hours on the canvas. I need to see one of the best waiver haircuts that you can push, period. You gotta be able to bang with the best. I'm talking about shape-shifting. I'm not talking about regular waiver haircuts, shape-shifting. This is not a challenge. This is just what I want to see, because you gotta stand on your words. You said if you don't have waves, you don't know what a waiver wants. I'm the person without waves that's standing outside of your house. Come holler at me.
Yeah, hello?
911.
Yeah, there was somebody standing outside of my house.
Just standing outside?
Yeah, they're just...
What are they doing?
I don't know what they're doing. No, they're just standing there outside of my house. You know what I mean? You're just standing there. I don't know what to do. Can you come over and get this guy?
Sir, you're gonna have to describe him.
Yeah, just get the guy with the dreads.
Sir, we're gonna need
Yeah.
more of a description on what he looks
I
like.
don't know which one. Anybody, just get the one with the dreads.
Okay, one with dreads.
Yeah,
Got it.
you're just standing there. I don't know what he's doing. I'm trying to take a peek out of the window, and this guy's just standing there. It's just totally ridiculous.
Sir, we're gonna dispatch somebody out
All
there
right.
real quick. It's gonna take 45 minutes.
45 minutes? Good Lord, he's just standing there outside. I was like, yes. 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 Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna do right now. All my waivers, Facebook, I need y'all right now, all right? Let me tell y'all something real quick. Listen, all my waivers. If I ever inspired you, if I ever taught you anything, on my waivers, I need y'all to speak up and stand up with me right now. But I'm gonna fly some of these waivers out. I'm gonna probably fly at least 2 waivers out, all right? Either a high taper or a low taper. I need a high taper and a low taper. Since Beam wanna call me out, I gotta use my resources, all right? But it's about to go down. Okay, it's about to go down. You want to see my skills and what I could do? So I'm gonna gather up my resources. I'm gonna bring the wave game together, and we gonna do this thing right here. All right? You want to see what I could do? All right. Beam. Let me just. I'm gonna just zoom in real quick. Let's just get this going real quick. We're gonna get to this video just real quick, and the outcome is just, it's definitely gonna be greater. Let me just let y'all take a little bit longer of a look. All right, let's go.
kids, keep the kids in recess, bro.
I didn't want to do him like that. I didn't want to do him like that. I really didn't. But he asked for it.
I turned the TV off. He got a little mad. He hit the ruler behind my chair, bro. He swung the ruler. He would hit me from the back of my chair.
He asked for it.
I told the principal.
I had to give him what he asked for. I had to give him what he asked for.
He was a mean ass teacher, bro. Mr. Rico was like the worst teacher ever, bro. It was, yeah.
Waiver in the building.
Hello.
He asking for a little taper. This is what he asking for. I gotta give it to him.
Thank you. Man, we in here with the greatest, man. Jeezy, man. Hello?
Alright,
Yeah, man.
alright,
Juicy
alright.
here, man. You understand me? Real waiver, man. Hello? Yeah. They know.
You heard it. You heard it here.
Real.
Alright, YouTube, check it out. Check it out. I just want to put a disclaimer out there, alright? Disclaimer. This ain't no beef. This is not a beef between me and Get Beam. I respect Get Beam as a barber, as a person. I met him. I think the first time I met him was in a Bronner Brothers show. I went on stage, you know, as he was cutting his hair just to show love because I seen him on Instagram. This is not no beef. I met Get Beam plenty of times. This is just straight up good, wholesome competition when it comes to, you know, barber for barber. I just want to basically create hype, you know, in the barber industry and just, you know what I mean? Iron sharpen iron. It only makes us better at the end of the day. But don't think for not 1 second, okay? Don't think for not 1 second that I ain't giving this my all, okay? Don't think for not 1 second that I'm going to just back down and just take this lightly. I'm just saying, no, respect for respect. But this wave game stuff, I'm real respected in the wave game, and I've been doing this stuff. He been doing it too. But I've been doing this more than you. Okay? I've been a waiver since that picture that you shown. Beam, what is that? Beam, come. Let me see. Oh my, Beam, come on, man. If you gonna show something, Beam, if you gonna show something, come on, you got to have a little bit more than that. Come on, Beam, where is it? Let me see. Put your head down. Put your head down, Beam. Beam, come on, man. What kind of, what is this? What is this? They cut you too low, Beam. Whoever did this cut, Beam, come on. You can't let this be the. This just proves my point. This just proves my point. Hey, that's a nice lineup though. I ain't even gonna lie. That curvature, whoever did that was a nice lineup though. But man, Beam, you cannot sit here and act like you was any types of elite with this one. Come on, Beam. Beam! That picture that y'all just seen of him having waves. Like I said, respect for respect, but come on, man. I've been doing this more than you. You can't show that and think that you on this type of level, or that think that you could be even inducted into the wave game. That right there is beginner status to us, man. Okay? We see you took your dress to the next level, and I understand that. Okay, my brother got dreads too, so I respect the shooters when it comes as far as having dreads and all that. I respect the shooters, don't get me wrong, okay? I'm just saying, man, when it comes to this wave game, when it comes to this waving stuff, can't nobody be messing with 360 Jeezy, man. I'm just gonna throw that out there because 360 Jeezy is 360 Jeezy, and the reason why they call me 360 is not because of my name. Well, it has something to do with my name, but it has something to do with what's on top of these hair, man. I'm just saying, though, man. The reason why they call me 360 Jeezy, because when they come on my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like bam. You get what I'm saying? I'm just saying. Just because they call me 360, don't think that for 1 second it's just because of my waves, though. But respect for respect. I'm going to go in the house and show you what these waves do, though. I'ma show you what these waves do. They've been asking me, Jeezy, where the wave content at? Where the wave content at? They've been asking me. They've been saying you ain't been in the wave game for a minute, Jeezy. And I just been sitting back being quiet, not really wanting to do these wave videos no more. But y'all done awoken the beast. Y'all done said, hey, 360 Jeezy, we don't even know if you got waves no more. I said, what? In my Lil Jon voice, I said, what? 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 What are y'all talking about? Let me take off my wave cap, man. Let me show them that it's not a game. I play no games. I could be just as wild as Get Beam. Y'all think I can't get my talk on like Get Beam? I could get my talk on. I can back it up. First things first, man. I already went on the hunt and I took it back to my roots. I took it back to the Facebook wave pages where I built my name from. You know what I mean? So I went back to the page and I put a post up and I said, hey, I'm willing to fly a dope waiver out and do this challenge. Because what you're not finna do is you're not finna act like I don't got weight in this wave game. You're not finna act like I don't got no pull in this wave game. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fly my mans out. I ain't gonna let y'all know who it is, but I got somebody already getting ready next week to be flown out, all right? But it's going down. Jeezy ain't backing down. What? I'm gonna show y'all. Matter of fact, y'all already know, YouTube. You know what I mean? Y'all already know. Beam! I'm gonna show you why they call me 360 Jeezy. I'm gonna show you why all the waivers fly out to get a cut from the one and only. Beam, you know I'm talking mad crazy right now, but you know what I mean? I gotta build the hype. You know what I mean? I got to build this thing. You know what I mean? But I'm just saying though, Beam. I don't play no games. I ain't taking this challenge lightly. Turn the camera off.